Okay, so this is the barbell Bulgarian split squat. In my opinion, if you get given this, I can only apologize. I know your pain, but it's a necessary evil. I can only apologize. So going forward, instead, I'm assuming you already know how to do the Bulgarian split squat. If you don't, check back on the other video. Assuming you've got the barbell, this is the big progression. So from here, I'm gonna come forward. I'm gonna put my foot, to start with, on the top. Now, essentially, I need you to make sure that if it's a high place to put on, I say like a box, then you're using the instep of your foot. If it's a low, say like a bench, then you might be able to get away with just your toes. For the sake of ease, in terms of the distance, for me, I'm gonna go flat, and I'm gonna come to the edge of the box. If I'm too close, like this, by the way, if I'm too close, I can't do it because my shin's in the way. So bring yourself out, come on here, edge of the box, this goes to here, perfect, edge, chest up, set your shoulders. Now, essentially, I'm driving my knee towards the staple box, and then driving up from the front. So I come from here, push. From here, push. Here, push. Good, and again, if I swap sides, run this way, I'll go left side just so you can see what's going on, okay? But essentially, I'm coming up, foot comes back, I want to be on the edge. Again, too close, my shin will be in the way. So if I'm here, like it's in the way, I can't do it. Bring yourself out, edge of the foot, nice and easy. Chest up, shoulders back, squeeze your core, drive. Drive. That's it. Have a go.